Good morning, dear students. We are going to study today English grammar. The chapter name is modals. Modals. Modals are helping verbs. We know that there are 24 helping verbs. They are is, am, are, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, had, can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, ought to, need, dare, used to. But all more helping verbs are not modals. Only 13 out of those 24 helping verbs, only 13 helping verbs are called modal verbs. Modal helping verbs. Modal verbs. Those 13 are can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, ought to, need, dare, used to. Only these use of these 13 helping verbs we will study. These 13 helping verbs are called modals. The rule is that after these modal verbs, always main verbs comes. We know that there are so many countless main verbs like come, go, eat, laugh, weep, die, live, help. All these are main verbs. Main verbs has 5 forms. Example, go. Go has 5 forms. Go, went, gone, going, goes. All the main verbs have 5 forms. Here in this chapter modals, the rule is that after modal verbs always main verbs comes. But not all the 5 forms, only one form. V1, first form. After these modals always first form will come. Second, third, fourth, fifth forms never comes. Always main verb comes, that in the first form. Example, you should respect your elders. Should is modal, respect first form. So after all these 13 modal verbs, always main verb first form comes. If you write second, third, fourth, fifth form, sentence will be wrong. One by one, all these 13 modal verbs we will study now. First of all, we shall study the use of can. Use of can. Can is used for power, ability or capacity. Example, he can lift that bench. He can lift that bench. This indicates his power. I can speak English. This is ability. They can solve your problem. The CM can transfer a DM. These are examples of power, ability, capacity. Yes, we see that can has the usage power ability, permission, theoretical possibility, and habit or nature. Power ability example we have discussed. Now permission can is used also for giving permission or taking permission. Can I come in, sir? This is to take permission. Can I come in, sir? You can go now. Giving permission, you can go now. But it is advised to students that for permission, may is more suitable, more polite. So students should always use for permission may, not can. Students should always for permission should always say may. May I come, sir? Not come. Not can. Can I sit here? You can park your car there. For giving, taking permission in a spoken, we use can. But more polite, more suitable is may, not can. Third use, theoretical possibility. Can used for theoretical possibility, not future possibility. Theoretical possibility. General or theoretical possibility, we can use can. We cannot say it can rain today. It is wrong. It is a future possibility. It can rain today is future possibility. For future possibility, can is not used. It is wrong. We should say may. It may rain today. General, theoretical possibility, we use can. Example, man can make mistakes. It is a theoretical. General possibility. Electricity can be dangerous. General possibility, theoretical. Now, fourth use of can, habit or nature. For any person's habit or nature, we generally use present simple. Like he does not deceive anyone. A saint does not harm anybody. We use present simple tense for habit or nature. But we can also say those sentences by using can. Example, a liar. A liar can cheat anybody. A pickpocket. A pickpocket can spare none. He can criticize you because he is not a good-natured person. He can criticize you. So for habit or nature, we use present simple and we can also use can. Now the second number, could. Use of could. Use of could. could can also be used in many situations. Past indefinite speech, past indirect speech, indirect speech or narration. When it is past, then could is used. For can used for present time ability, past used for can. Could is the past of can, so could used for past time ability, power, capacity. Third use of could is polite request or permission, polite way, soft way, request permission, could used. And fourth use is present unreal possibility, but that not possible, unreal. First use is past indefinite speech, past indirect speech. In indirect speech, when it is past, then we don't use can, we use could. Example, he said, I can do it. He said, past. Speech is past. This is direct speech. He said, I can do it, inverted comma used, direct speech. In indirect speech, we don't use can. At the place of can, we use could in indirect speech. He said that I turns into according to subject he. Here if we write can, that will be wrong. In past indirect speech, at the place of can, we use could. So students, the rest part of the modals we will study next day. Thank you.